Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, you know the deal on YouTube. But yeah, so today I did this really glowy spring appropriate tutorial. So it's really like, I don't know, it's about the skin today. So my skin personally right now is effed up, but it looks really healthy right now. It looks really glowy. It looks like airy. It doesn't look, I don't feel like it looks like cake face or anything. I feel like, I look presentable. I look very put together right now. So, yeah, it was super simple. If I wasn't talking so much, I swear it could have took me like 7 minutes to do. But, I'm pleased with the results. So if you're interested, just keep watching. I already did my brows off camera, and for what's this primer, I used the Milk Makeup Gripping Primer. Probably should have used something more luminous because I want that, that type of look, but whatever. So my skin has been acting all the way up, so I'm just gonna use some concealer to kind of, spot correct a little bit, just so it doesn't look as dark when my foundation goes on top. I have a lot. My face my face has been going through it. I think I've been using I've been trying out a lot of new skincare, which is dumb of me to try out so many new things at once. Usually you should try to incorporate one thing at a time, so you know how your skin's reacting and you know exactly what you're using that you shouldn't be. But my dumbass, I switch out everything. So now I'm still using some of the new products that help with this type of situation. But there was a moisturizer that I just stopped using. What else? What was I using? I don't know if I was using too many, chemical type products at once, or if I didn't like the moisturizer I was using. I'm just letting this sit so it gets a little tacky or whatever. But yeah, I don't really know what I was using. I don't know what it is, but I cut out some stuff, and now my skin is it's breathing again, so I can get on camera, because I didn't wear makeup for a week straight because my face did a whole what is it? Is it a 360 or 180? It changed completely because my skin was fine. It wasn't fine. It was okay. Then it got terrible. So that's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sonia Kashuk sponge. Shout out to Aaliyah's face, because I feel like she put everyone on, and if you're using this sponge and you didn't give creds, that's kind of fake. But yeah, it's at Target. I got mine in a pack of 2 for I think it was $9 or something like that. $9, $10, $11. But you can get them singles for $7. But this is a really good sponge. I feel like I haven't even used my Royal Technique sponge since I got it, and y'all know that's my junk. But I don't know, I think I like that it's so big and it's really soft. But it's really the shiznit. Okay, now that I look like Ghostface Killer, I'm gonna use my NARS, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm just gonna pump it on the back of my hand, and I'm in the color Syracuse, so I'm just gonna dot it on my face. I feel like the springtime, the whole point of spring is for your skin to just be flawless and glowy and just shine from within. So I don't want to put a whole usually I dot my face, but I want to do the whole thing because I don't want it to look too masky. And doing it that way, it's very easy for it to do that. So I'm gonna start the most product in the center and work its way out to the edges, if that makes any sense. Now that everything is blended, I'm gonna do my concealer. So for concealer, I want to brighten it up a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my NARS my Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I'm gonna focus it just right here because that's where my eyes are like hella dark. So just gonna put it right there. I don't want it to come too far out because then it's gonna look kind of unnatural with this whole highlighted under eye. And then just cause put a little bit on my nose like that, because although we need coverage, we still want to look really, you know, glowy and stuff and bright. And then whatever is left over, I'm just gonna put it on my chin. So we're gonna cream contour using my KKW. You can use whatever you have, but I don't want anything like too harsh. So I'm using medium 2 because it's really light. What the hell's going on? And you know, just a little bit right here on the sides and then the temples. And then I just did a little bit under my chin because it was highlighted under there, and I don't like when it's like too bright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same sponge and blend that out. My Lolo powder, she gives you matte. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass powder to set everything today because I don't want matte, I want glow, I want dew. And I'm just setting, like I'm literally just putting the powder there and like pushing it into my skin. I'm not gonna bake or anything with it. And then my T-zone. Then I'm gonna go all over the face, and I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Tan. And this is just so my whole face isn't like super tacky feeling. This is just like a powder that layers on top really nicely. And then dust away any extra Hourglass powder that I might have on my face. And this just kind of keeps my color, makes me not look like dusty. I'm going to take my little mini Natasha Denona mini nude palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I think it's Sienna. And I'm just going to put that, you know, just add some color on my eye. Just so it's not so like plain up there. Nothing too fancy. Then I'm going to take some of my Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is just the regular one. And just to warm up my face. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Whew, that was kind of a lot. Okay, so once my lashes are on, they're super natural. I love these lashes. They're probably my faves. I'm going to just add a little bit of bottom mascara to balance it out. just a little to dust that powder off. Okay, just like that. And I was gonna add blush, but I don't really feel like I need it. I feel like I look like really bronzed and glowy, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Morphe lip liner in Sweet Tea. When I found this, you guys, I think I found it last year. I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? This is like one of the best lip liners. The color is great. And it was like super cheap. I think it was like $4 or something crazy like that. I was like, what? Where have you been all my life? But I kind of, not gonna lie, I kind of put her on the back burner since I got my KKW and Nude 2. That one is my jam. That's my favorite lip liner at the moment, is the Nude 2 one, as you guys probably know. But it's really a banger. But I've been telling myself I need to start using different products and, you know, using up the stuff that I have, because it's kind of a waste to have all this stuff and that, like, you never use it. So I'm gonna go in with Fussy right now. And gloss for the summer and the springtime is always a vibe, honestly. Okay, and that is everything for this tutorial. That's finito. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.